So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the highly asked about Camp Chef. It is a stove and oven combo. We're going to talk about what we like and what we don't like about it, and why I think everybody could probably use one of these. So when you first get your Camp Chef, what you'll get on the inside is your adapter. This plugs right into the back side of it, and you can either put the small propane tank on the back, just directly on the bottom of it, or you can attach a hose and then run it to one of your bigger propane tanks. On the top as well, it's got a windscreen here. You just pull those out and then stick them right in the side. So once you hook the propane up to the back side, you just have to push in on one of the dials and turn and let it click, and you'll probably have to do that a couple of times to get the gas to flow into the system. And then after a few times of that, it'll ignite the burner on the top or in the oven. So on the front, we've got the burner for this side, the burner for that side, and then this will be the burner for the oven. Both are 7,500 BTUs a piece. So in your oven, it's gonna be about 3,000 BTUs. Inside the oven, it can go up to 400 degrees. So with one of the propane bottles, the 1 pound propane bottles, they say you can keep it about 350 on the inside for several hours. So it maintains heat pretty well. It is insulated, so it usually doesn't have a problem keeping the heat on the inside. For the oven as well, it's got a temperature gauge, so you know what the temperature is going to be on the inside. It comes with 2 trays that you can pull in and out. So the trays are adjustable wherever you want to put them. And the burner is actually underneath this metal plate here. So all the flame stays underneath, basically just fills up this whole area with heat. It does come with grates that are removable, so you can clean the top whenever you need to. It does come with the electric start, so you don't need to start it with a lighter or anything like that. So it's got some 4 rubber feet on the bottom of it to kind of keep it steady on the table. It's also got 2 handles on either side just to make it easy to carry around. The total weight on this is about 32 pounds. We've made all kinds of things in this. We've made cinnamon rolls, cookies, you name it. I mean, it does a pretty good job. We've boiled water on top. It does everything it needs to do. I would say our only cons with this system is, and it's not a huge issue, but I wouldn't recommend trying to bake and use the stovetop at the same time. It pulls too much propane from one or the other. So if it's windy at all, your top will go out, or the oven will take too long to heat up. So if you're gonna do one of them, just stick to one task at a time for it. That way all the flame can go essentially to one area. So that was our only problem, was we tried boiling water while also heating up the oven for our cinnamon rolls one morning. That took forever. It was also really cold out that day, so that made it take a little bit longer, but yeah, I would just stick to doing one thing at a time with it. Another thing that's great about this system is the price. Right now on Amazon, I've got the link below, but on Amazon you can pick these up for, right now it's about $250, but I've seen plenty of people get them for about 200 bucks. So between having the stovetop and the oven for about 200 bucks, I mean, that's worth it. To be able to cook whatever you want, including baking whatever you want at camp, you can't beat it. This system can really be used anywhere. If you don't have an oven or a stovetop in your camper or whatever you're using to camp with, you just put this in there and you've got both of them. It's all one system. You can just leave it in there and you can take it out whenever you need it. Another thing, if you have any questions or you want to check out the gear that we usually use, I've got a full link list down below in the description. So thank you guys for watching. I know it's a real quick video. I've gotten a lot of questions about this, so I just wanted to answer a few of those and let you know why we love it. I will continue to be doing videos on all the gear that we've got. So if you're interested in gear or camping travel videos, we do all of that. So feel free to subscribe, like, let me know what you want to see more of. Let me know what you're interested in, and I'll try to get it done. The 1 pound protein tank, and with one of the 1 pound protein. Jesus. It heats up probably faster than a conventional oven. It probably heats up faster than a conventional. Jesus.